So you're looking to start playing Dungeons & Dragons, but you're not sure where to start or what you'll need to begin on your epic quest. Well, don't worry, we have all the information you seek right here. Let's jump right into what you will need to start playing D&D. The first and most iconic item is dice. Yes, you are going to need at least one set of dice. The next thing you will need is a Dungeon Master. They will be the ones running your game. The Dungeon Master's role is to play the creator of your world and set you off in an epic adventure while guiding the game to keep the story within the rules of the game. In shorter words, they pick cool monsters for you to fight, set up an amazing and elaborate scenes, and make sure they aren't bending the rules too much while you do cool stuff. Find a DM, and you have your storyteller. Now that the DM is taken care of, it's time to form the party. Most likely, your DM will have some players for you to join. The game is built for a party size of 4 to 6 players. However, you can do just fine with 3 members of your party, and alternatively, you can get together with a large party of 8 or more and have a great time. Okay, party is all there. The next item is the Dungeons & Dragons Player's Handbook 5th edition. This will have all the rules in it that you will need. You can purchase the book in a hard copy or digital form. It's definitely worth the buy. Any information you will need when it comes to making a character, combat rules, and the spell list will all be in this book. It'll teach you everything you need to know about how to play and more, but you can also find the official basic rules for free on the Wizards of the Coast website. Link in the description. The last thing you need is probably the best part of D&D, which is making a character. In order to start, you're going to need a character sheet. You can find basic character sheets online for free that are blank PDF forms you can fill out electronically or print out for a physical copy. The Player's Handbook will be your guide on how to fill this sheet out. If you're still having difficulties navigating the sheet, you can check out our video on building a character. Link in the description. That is all the essentials you will need to start playing D&D. Now get out there and slay some monsters, heroes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped just a little bit. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.